Couple of years back when ChatGPT was released, that was one of the wow moment in generative AI area. And that's the time the entire buzz was started. Now after 2 years, there is another application came in market and that can be the next wow moment. After generative AI, we are hearing more about AI agents. And the application I'm going to show you today, that's a general purpose AI agent application. So if you see, currently I'm in Google homepage. And if I open this particular application, that is Manus. Now Manus is creating a good amount of buzz. Let me show you why and how you can use this particular application. First of all, whenever you will be creating your ID for the first time, they will give you 1000 credits, and using those credits you will be able to use this particular product. They also have some paid plans, but as of now those plans are not required. Let me show you how can you use it. First time whenever you will log in, you will get 1000 credits. Let me give you some perspective. If I create a PowerPoint presentation, it will cost me nearly 100 credits, which means I'll be able to generate 8 to 9 different PowerPoint slide pack using those 1000 credits. Now on top of that, now they have a referral program. I'll share one link in the description below. If you click on that, you will get additional 500 credits. If you click that link and create your ID, then you will be getting 1500 credit points. And I will also receive 500 additional credits as a referral bonus. Currently you can see I have 9000 credits where 18 people created their ID using my referral link. I shared that link in the WhatsApp few days back to some of the friends group, and they created these IDs and I got these credits. Similar way, you will be also able to share with your friends or colleagues, and once they will create their ID, you will also get some additional credits. Now this is not the end. After you will get 1500 credits to start with. Every day they will also assign you 300 additional credits once you show up. So daily login bonus is also 300 credits. So these are available as of date of this recording of 12th June. So now in case something this changes, that may happen down the line, because this is the way they are trying to promote this particular application now, and later it may change. Earlier, this particular application was not available to everyone. So it only last 10 days, it became available for everyone. Anyone can create ID and start using it. Now let me come to show you what are the things it can do. And so this is again a ChatGPT-like interface where you will be able to type your prompt. If you want to add any of the files, that you can do from here. And here, few more things are there. This is AI agent mode currently we are in. We can also make it as a normal chat interaction, the way we interact with ChatGPT or other LLM models, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, that also we can do. But if you want to use it as an AI agent, then you can use this toggle and you can use it as an agent. Now, what AI agent does, which generative AI is not doing, generative AI will generate content for you. If you are asking, okay, you write a poem for me, so it will write it for you, but it cannot take any of the action. AI agents can do certain things which generative AI cannot do. Let me give you one example. If you want to book a flight ticket, and that too based on your calendar availability, and that too for the cheapest price available, a capable AI agent can do that. It can check your availability in the calendar when you can travel. Second thing, it can go to multiple different airline sites and check wherever the lowest price available. It can fill up those forms and it can buy that ticket for you, and it will send you an email confirmation that your booking has been completed, and it will also block your calendar for that time with that travel plan. So this entire thing an AI agent can do. Now there are multiple nitty-gritty that you may need to share your credentials. All those things are there. So this is the capability of an AI agent in a very basic layman term, just to understand the context. So while we are talking about this application, one small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now live on Skillshare. I have added one link in the description below. Check out that link. I have published a couple of courses as of date. Using that link during the trial period, you will be able to watch both of the courses, and along with those courses, multiple different other courses are already available in that platform, which have been published by renowned instructors around the world on multiple different topics. If you are liking that particular platform, then you can continue. If you're not liking or not getting right value, you can cancel it any point of time during your trial period and after also. Now let us try here what are the things this tool can do, and before that let me also show you few of the things. There are few of the things available here. Create. If I click on create, there are multiple different options it's showing, like business history narrative or cinematic video generation, everything it can do. If I click on create, there are few options. It can create slides, it can create image, it can generate video, it can also create a web page. All those things are possible. So what I'll do, they already added some of the very good examples within their website which we can check. So if I just scroll down, you will be able to see there are multiple different things they already kept which you can evaluate. If I click on featured, then you will be able to see whatever the things they already generated. If I click on this particular option, create quantum computing teaching website. So just using single prompt, they generated a full-fledged working website only using one prompt. If I click on view replay, and this is another very good feature, whatever the things I generated here, I can click on replay and it will play the entire thing the way it generated, and this is very helpful for this kind of video recording, right? If I click on view replay, then it will open in a new prompt and it will show the entire method, entire step, how it was done. So if I just click on it, now you can see this is the way it generated. So we can wait and we can see what are the steps it followed, everything we can just see from here. Now we can see step by step, it is researching the things, it is building that website. And if you don't want to spend full time, you can click on skip to result, and then it will show you the end result. If I click on this particular icon, it will open in a separate tab that particular web page. You can see this is the web page it created. If you click on start learning, it will take you to the learning module. If I click on start the module, it will be inside that module and everything is there. I can go to the next module. I can come to this interactive lab they already created. There are multiple things. These are the things I don't understand. All those things are available here. If I come to resources, there also you'll be able to see all these resources, articles, videos, book references, tools. So it generated a full-fledged working website. Now this is a prototype. They are showcasing what are the best product they created, right? So this is the way we can see, but we can also try whatever we can generate. So what I did, I tried few of the things. I wrote this particular prompt here. Give me top 20 AI tools which I should be using for my YouTube video production. Post in LinkedIn and Twitter. Normally I publish video here and I also write in LinkedIn and Twitter whenever I get time. So it also followed the same way. It followed all those steps and then later at last it gave me this PDF file. If I click on it, then you will be able to see it listed down everything. If I just click on maximize and I just zoom it a bit, you can see this is the report it gave. And when it generated this content, it took nearly 4 hours. I'm asking it to give me top 20 AI tools, which means it needs to check the entire AI tools landscape. It may need to check multiple different website link and other documentation to understand what are the AI tools are available in market. And then only it will try to understand which tool will work better for my YouTube production, and then only that list can be prepared. I was going through the list and majority of those recommendations are right only. For the LinkedIn and Twitter, I really need to check in much more detail, but at least for YouTube, these are really useful ones. So this is the way you will be also able to use. So let me come back. If I click on cross and I'll be able to come back. So I recorded another video where I shown that how can you generate a PowerPoint presentation using this method only. So I'll add that link in the description below. Once the video will be published, you will be able to check that one too. And again, you will be able to generate your PowerPoint presentation absolutely for free using this tool. Now there are multiple different options. So you can try out. If you need any of the inspiration, just come to the new task, scroll down and find out what people are doing. There are multiple different things you can do. Now let me show you a few more things here. You can also download their mobile app from here. And once you come here, you'll be able to share your link with your friends so that you can also earn those 500 additional credits whenever anyone will sign up. I'll also share my invite. So if you click and sign up, I'll also get some 500 additional points and you'll also get those 500 additional points. Let me close it and few more things. If I come here and I go to settings, then few of the normal things are there, like your dark theme, normal theme, all those things. One thing is there, that is usage. Whenever you are executing any of the prompts, how much credit it's consuming, that is also available here. So one PowerPoint presentation it generated, it costed me 144 credits. Another presentation, it costed me 113 points. So using that, you will be able to see that how your credits are getting utilized. Another major thing is there, if you come to connected apps, you will be able to connect your Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive and other things. So if you have any such requirement, you can check on that. So these are the few things I thought of presenting here, but I would request you to try out this particular application. Let me know in the comments below what's your view, what you think about it, is it really helping or not. If you also have any specific question, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try to respond to those as soon as I can. If you also want to talk to me directly, just for any question or just to say hi, I added one link in the description below. That's the link of fan call application. Using that application, you will be directly able to block my calendar and you will also be able to talk to me directly one-to-one. So if you have any such need, then you can check out that link. If you want to know how to generate PowerPoint presentations using Manus application, then check out this video where I shown how can you generate your PowerPoint presentation using this application.